So this is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota. And one of the things I want to talk about today is what that popping or clicking sound means when you get adjusted. We get asked that all the time, and is that okay? Or is my back breaking? Is my neck breaking? There's a lot of you out there that watch videos now on it. You're intrigued by it, mesmerized by it. What's really happening with that popping or clicking sound is that in between each bone of your spine are what are called facet joints, or kind of connector joints in between the bones of the spine. And inside those facet joints is a capsule filled with nitrogen. And as the pressure increases, what can happen if move fast enough and quick enough, you can actually pop or release that nitrogen gas, which is what that sound is. So no, nothing's breaking, nothing's falling apart. You're still going to be okay. It certainly sounds like knuckles cracking. It sounds like a lot of different things, but realize that that is great. That's a necessary sometimes movement of the spine to release the pressure on it. And so if you're wondering or intrigued or watching all the videos, trying to figure out what that popping or clicking sound is, don't panic. It's nitrogen gas being released. That's going to help your movement of your spine. It's going to help how you feel and how you function. This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic. We'll see you.